Well, I guess it would help if I stopped and put this thing in high and give her a little space so she don't splash water all over me. Hurting her. Her crazy self. Yeah. Off on an adventure, riding around trying to looking for adventure. Fucker. All this was, if you go back and look at our videos earlier in the year, all of this was up above, wasn't nothing but big tall weeds and stuff. And we can actually get across here, but there's no place to go, so, but yeah, and now it's even made it more dangerous down here, because see how that barbed wire used to was up high enough that you could see it. Well, now you can't. Now you'd hit it, you wouldn't even know it was there until after you done ran wide open into it.
Look what I found.
And there's Delisa looking for more rocks.
Lucky prize for today.
She gets a
Flat.
her and her rocks fetish. Maybe one day she'll grow out of a rock fetish, but I don't know. They ain't no telling what that is.
Look at that rock. Look how hard that water was running.
Yeah.
You want to see how hard water runs. This used to be flat. Now look where the water's cut all that out. See the roots here?
Yes, ma'am. Well, alrighty, let's get on down to the other side of the creek to see what's going on over there. Yep, before these hunters decide they want to start shooting four-wheelers. It is hunting season, that's why we have to be careful about about how much riding we're doing out here in the woods right now. Let's see if we can see if Dummy is gonna turn. She makes fun of me all the time, but let's see if she can back into the creek. Well, go on across. Right there's the art. Yep. I done explained it. Oh, we might even get to see a train, people. Who knows? Train, train, take me away. Do the time, the old blue tick hound trying to chase it down, but I don't think he's gonna make it today. All this was putting up but weeds and all. You couldn't even see the creek right here when you back before we went to South Carolina. Now it's all changed again. So yeah, even got ripples in different places now. The water used to run, it's running hard right here now. Where it used to be, right here is where it used to be. So this creek is constantly changing. There's no telling how many. All of this would have probably flooded this past. You can see the water lines where all of this was flooded at one time. Since we went to South Carolina and back while we was in South Carolina.
Don't go fast down here.
Well, go. Well, go. All this flooded. All this field was flooded out. That trees fell down. Look at the big trees that washed out when the creek flooded. The power of water is unbelievable. Whenever it gets to rolling. Yep. Yep, the big trees fell over to another cave that washed out farther than it was. Yep, more and more. More trees.
Just picked that one up and laid it down, didn't it? It didn't come from over here.
More trees down. That's usually, we can usually come around this corner slideways. Uh-oh. She done spot.
Railroad put up here.
Huh?
Yeah, sign.
Yep. The sign, railroad put up a new sign up there. No idiots allowed, I guess. We need to get some slide action in this house, baby.